Hi guys, it's Harvey from allpartspoolandspa.com. Today I am focusing on hot tubs, and we are looking for a circuit board for our hot tub. So let's go look at some boards, okay? Go to circuit boards, click on that. Here are the boards, and comes up a lot of manufacturers going to be coming up. It's a big page to open up, and here they are by manufacturers. And then you scroll down and you can explode it if you want to see if this is the board. You can see if it's in stock. You can see identification numbers, OEM identification numbers, make sure it's the right one. I have recommended items for this board. If replacing a board, you should really change out those sensors. I mean, it's not bad. It's a good little item to add. Keeps you safe. Those sensors are for safety. And it's just a good way to stay safe out there, repair your pack, do what you need so you can enjoy your spa. Now let me give you another scenario. I'll send you a link to this page. If some of these boards are expensive, so you go, okay, well, maybe I want to buy a new pack and a new topside, which I recommend highly. But I have one unique feature. If you want to, email me at harveyallparts@gmail.com, or go to my website and email it to me, the question, and we can repair your board. I recommend that you give me everything, especially your topside. I've seen it many times before. We repair a board and it's a bad topside too. So I recommend that you give me everything you can if you want to go that route. All Parts has the capability of doing repairs. Might save you a lot of money. Let me give you another scenario. You send it to me. We find out it costs too much to repair it. I will give you an option on a new pack. All right? Again, I am Harvey, All Parts Pool and Spa. One little quick tip on repairing your spa. Take care.